Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E for your face. Vitamin E is a fantastic antioxidant, crucial for protecting your skin from environmental stressors. It's known for its moisturizing properties, helping to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. We'll cover the best ways to incorporate it into your skincare routine, ensuring you get the maximum benefits for a healthy, radiant complexion. Let's dive into the specifics of application and usage. Applying vitamin E to your face is straightforward. You can directly apply the oil to clean skin, using gentle, circular motions to help absorption. Another popular method is to mix a few drops with your regular moisturizer or serum, enhancing its benefits. If you're using capsules, simply pierce one with a clean needle and squeeze the oil onto your fingertips. Always perform a patch test first to ensure no irritation occurs. Beyond its antioxidant power, vitamin E offers several skin benefits. It can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and promote a more even skin tone. Many also find it beneficial for supporting the healing of minor skin irritations and reducing the visibility of scars. However, it's important to use it safely. If you have sensitive skin, always dilute pure vitamin E oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil to prevent potential irritation. For the best results, consider applying vitamin E oil as part of your nighttime routine. This allows the oil to deeply penetrate and work its magic while you sleep. Pairing it with vitamin C can also boost its antioxidant effects, offering superior protection for your skin. Remember to be consistent with your application for noticeable improvements over time. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.